Good morning. Happy day 62. I'm not leaving right now. I'm having breakfast. I think I'm on day 62. I don't even know anymore. I know I have 3 days uploading right now. Like 3 days are still uploading on YouTube. So I think I'm on day 63. I hope I'm right. I'm about to have my morning routine, so I'm going to get my ginger lemon shot. Okay. AJ. AJ's naked. He's fighting his sister.
Do you want to fight?
Ginger lemon shot. She has her cousin's phone from the party last night. Alright. Alright, so I started the morning late. Got a lot of things to do today. Cheers. Oof, that is extra gingery. Okay, so yesterday was the graduation party. I showed y'all how much I messed up. I knew I was gonna mess up because I wanted to celebrate with my nephew. And plus, like, life, I'm gonna life. You only live once. But I also have goals. So that's why I'm like consistent with everything, even though I know I'm going to have a bad meal or a bad night or whatever. I still do what I do because I know that as long as I'm consistent like with everything else, like that, celebrating with my family is not going to be that big of a deal, and I don't feel guilty for it. But that's another thing, like reality, like it's real life. I'm not perfect, I'm not a robot, and I'm gonna mess up. So I messed up last night, but I got on the scale this morning and I only gained 6 ounces, so it was worth it, because I mean it was 6 ounces. I could lose that in a day. So y'all saw what I ate and drank. I think the alcohol is probably the worst, but and the macaroni, maybe Cuban too, but I only had 1 Cuban. And that's another thing, I don't overdo it. Like, yes, I enjoy it and I eat what I want, but I don't overdo it. So like the plate that I made, I didn't even finish. I ate like half that macaroni, and I ate my pancit though, the noodles, the glass noodles. Anyway, the rice noodles, I ate all of that. But the macaroni I didn't finish. I ate half the Cuban, and I had lumpia. Of course I had lumpia. But whatever, little goodies here and there. But I didn't overdo it, and that's the problem, is that when we cheat, we think we have to overdo it because, you know, it's that one cheat meal. But no, it's like balance. You just gotta balance, baby. Just balance. Balance real life. So I'm gonna do my gummies now. This is the super greens. And I have apple ciders, and I have sea moss. Oh, that's fat burners. Sea moss gummies. So I'm gonna do all these gummies at one time, and while I'm chewing these, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my shake together. Y'all already know my shake. We are on day 60 something. So yeah, all of that. So today I'm post office, the store, my brother's house. I have a nail appointment. I had a bunch of stuff going on today, but fat burner, real quick. Yes.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
What? What did he say?
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
No, can't say I have. No.
Batman. That's what the Joker asked Batman's parents before he shot him.
Oh. Oh, well that's fantastic. Prolessa. Alright guys, I got my Prolessa, so I'm going to go ahead and do a dry scoop of Prolessa. Because y'all already know this targets the belly fat, gets rid of inches on your waist, snatched up, kangaroo pouch be gone, powder lipo, whatever you want to call it. So if you want some, look in the description to this video. I have a link tree and you can order yours today. The other night we went to a graduation dinner for my nephew. I showed you guys that when I ate the vegetables. We went to a sushi restaurant. And this is what Kamar ordered. Eating it for breakfast.
It's chicken fingers.
At a sushi restaurant? You always eat sushi. Why did you order this?
Because their french fries are good.
Alright, I'm gonna have my shake now and then I gotta get out the house. So, see you guys when I eat again. Crazy morning, but I went to the post office. I'm at Target. I have a shaken espresso, 140 calories. I don't get nothing added to it. Found this cute little wireless charger thingy. And now I'm gonna get what I came here for. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, so I just walked in the door from getting my nails done with the girls. The girls got their nails done. They look so pretty. But I'm going to take 2 of these and then I'm going over to my brother's house to eat with them dinner tonight. So I haven't eaten all day. I had my shake and it's already 5:45. Like, I've literally just been on the go all day. I tell you, I've been horrible with the eating schedule. We're supposed to be eating every 2 to 3 hours, and I'm not doing that. But we're gonna get it together. So I'm gonna eat these now. I'm gonna go to my brother's house and eat, and I will show you what I'm eating. Peace out.
You want the water?
What inside?
I'll fill it.
Why? Like, again. I was supposed to be recording my food, and I forgot. So. It's not I intentionally forgot, I was hungry when I got here and then the kids got in the pool and then we've been chilling. So I had lumpia, ziti. I think that's it, right? A lot of lumpia. I'm drinking coffee right now. Coffee. And I guess that's it.
Like they do this exact same thing as yours.
Yeah.
Sugar on it.
We're finally home. It's 11:30.
I look like a little boy.
We were there a lot longer than we were supposed to be. She got her nails done today, so she's brand new. I'm gonna take.
I was Kimura.
All my
Y'all didn't
gummies
realize.
real quick. I'm gonna take all 3 of these real quick.
Whoops.
Rare.
Vegan. Unfiltered.
Alright, so Twitties, Super Greens.
Oh.
Twitties. Apple cider, nasty.
Keep out of reach of children. Am I a child? Do I count as a child?
No, you don't count as a child.
Oh, I wouldn't count as a child. That's not fair.
You're 16.
I don't want to be. That's because I don't sleep. Is that an eye bag or is that just my other eye?
It's a bag. That means you need to go to sleep.
They just saw my side profile. Oh, good lord. I'm giving up. I'm about to eat the half of my
We
cinnamon.
just had a whole conversation about side profiles at my brother's house.
It's atrocious.
It's not atrocious.
Guys, pitch in for my nose job.
Okay, so I totally did not record what I was eating because I was just like
Eating.
yeah, I was like eating. I was in the moment. I was very present, but Not like I did that bad anyways. And we're going back tomorrow because tomorrow is my nephew's birthday celebration. I just love that my brother lives 5 minutes away now. They get to spend time with their cousins. They hang out and chill. They all got in the pool. It was a good time.
Let's go to the beach. Let's get away.
Okay, so we're gonna go back tomorrow, and I'm going to not clean tonight. Tired. I'm going to go sit on the couch next to my husband while he watches his fight. And yeah, AJ's passed out. Brooklyn's watching the tablet. But that's my vlog today. It sucked. I tried. I'm sorry. And this Michelle's about to eat some ice cream. So,
We need some water.
yeah, we were just talking about that.
Oh my
See you
God.
guys tomorrow
Look at Willow.
on the next video.
Wait. Let her say bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, let Willow say bye-bye.
Okay, this one's Willow to say bye.
My love. You're not listening.
She looks tired.
She is. You sleepy, baby?
Little avatar baby.